These days, smartphones come with 8GB RAM, 12GB RAM and 16GB RAM, and brands like Realme, Vivo and Samsung have this feature called as extended RAM or virtual RAM, through which you can use your storage as a portion of the RAM to extend it. So in this video, I'm going to explain you what is virtual RAM or extended RAM, how it works and what are all the disadvantages of it. So watch this video till the end because it's very important. So hey guys, I'm your host Arnav and you are watching Tech Arena, so let's go. Alright, so virtual RAM is a very old concept because it's been used in Windows PCs for a decade. But now that we are more on smartphones, brands have decided to bring in this feature on smartphones. Recently, I've seen brands like Realme, Vivo and Samsung adapt this feature just to make it as a marketing point while they sell a phone. So what is virtual RAM? Let me clearly explain. So virtual RAM is using your storage as a portion of the RAM to extend the actual RAM. Say for example, you have a smartphone with 3GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. Now from the 128GB of storage, you can actually take 3GB of space and use it as an extended RAM by usage of softwares. And brands like Vivo, Realme and Samsung have baked in this extended RAM technology in their software itself. So this is basically what a virtual RAM means. But now let me explain how it works. Now imagine you have a phone with 3GB of RAM and 3GB added onto as extended RAM. Now the phone's actual RAM count is 6GB. Now imagine the 6GB of RAM is filled by 10 applications. And if you're trying to open a new 11th application, then one of the apps from the already 10 applications running will be moved to the extended storage. So this is how virtual RAM works. Now you know what is virtual RAM and how it works. Now let's move on to its disadvantages. Number one is not all applications can be used in extended RAM because of the read and write speeds. Now if you take an LPDDR4X RAM, the read and write speed of it will be somewhere around 4.2 to 4.4 Gbps. But whereas if you take the fastest ever storage option, which is the UFS 3.1, its read and write speed is half of the actual RAM, which is somewhere around 2 to 2.2 Gbps. Now, because of this slower read and write speed, not all applications can be saved in the extended portion of the storage RAM, because there are some applications which need to be refreshed every second and will be actively running on the background. But applications like calendar and notes can be transferred to this extended RAM. So this is one of the disadvantages of having extended RAM, and it is not a very good feature that you can rely on. The second disadvantage is if you don't have enough storage, then you can't make use of this software. Because imagine you have 128GB of phone and nearly 120 or 125GB of your storage is filled. Then you can't even use your remaining portion of your storage as RAM, and even if you use it, then your phone will go slow because you'll barely have any storage left for something to actively happen. So this is the second biggest disadvantage of having extended RAM. So the last and final question, is it a good idea to buy a phone based on this feature, extended RAM or virtual RAM? Well, I'll explain you a clear scenario. Now if you compare a phone with actual 12GB of RAM and a phone with extended 12GB of RAM, which means a phone has an actual 6GB of RAM and you have used the extended RAM feature to extend from the actual 6GB to 12GB, then you can't even compare these two smartphones because the actual 12GB RAM smartphone will perform better than of the extended RAM smartphone because the read and write speeds of this will be more than this. So from this you can clearly understand that extended RAM or virtual RAM is not a feature that you can clearly brag on. It is an add-on feature which you can make use of it when you don't have enough RAM or when most of your RAM is completely full. And that scenario to be happening is very, very low because most of us close all the recent apps, which we shouldn't, but still we close it. So extended RAM is just a gimmicky feature for this brand to do marketing to sell that particular smartphone. So now you know what is extended RAM, how it works and what are all the disadvantages. Now you are the people to decide on whether you should brag on that particular feature and buy a smartphone or not. So if this video was useful, share this video with all of your friends, and if you end up liking watching my content, a like to this video would make a difference because it will help me in the algorithm to push my video to better audiences. And also, most of you forget to subscribe to my channel. It's very simple. Just click the red color subscribe button below because again, it'll help me boost my confidence and make better and better videos for you guys. And also press the bell icon to get all the notifications whenever I post any new video. For now, this is me Arnav signing off. Talk to you guys in the next one. Bye bye.